Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart for a first time at Hannalei Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Stingrays. And it was a great afternoon with the AM/PM program. Got to speak to all the students, grades K through 5. And the main focus on today's message was all about bullying, but more importantly, looking at someone's heart first. Seeing someone like you see your own best friend, to show them the same kindness and empathy. They have this built into their concept over here, the design thinking here at Hannalei, and it says right here, empathy with the heart, right? Our heart is big as our fist. If we truly let that kindness, love, respect fully enter our heart, we can turn this into this. This was a really prime example of knowing that darkness cannot drive out darkness, but only light can do that. Hate cannot drive out hate, only love can do that. And that comes down to seeing others for the heart first, and really trying to buy into the fact that we can show compassion to anyone, whether they're born different than us, if they're taller, shorter, wider, thinner, different skin color, if they come from a different culture, different background, speak a different language, if they walk different, talk different, see different, hear different, learn different, we still show that same level of respect no matter what. So through a series of videos, different interactive stories, some hip-hop music, some positive really reinforcement slides showing pictures of other students from across this country that have maybe been through some tough things and had bullying happen in their lives, or some other storms happen in their lives, some struggles. They've still chose to turn that pain into greatness, right? Chose to really try to heal hearts instead of break them. We talk about how healed people heal people and hurt people, but our choice should be the first one, that we choose to let this kindness fully enter our hearts, become healed, and now we can go and help heal someone else's heart by showing the same kindness that was shown to us, and show that peace all over this world that desperately needs more of it. Thank you guys for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Never forget that you guys are all true miracles, like the M etched in all of our palms. We talk about this, our worth as well. The M for miracle, upside down, W for worthy, like it says here on the shirt too. And never forget your value, and never forget that we need to be that light to someone else's heart too. As always, don't forget to subscribe by hitting the button that you'll see pop up on the screen here. Make sure to hit the notification bell too to get updates on future videos like this one, and check out the other amazing clips along with my website link on the screen to track my journey as I continue to travel this country, healing America's heart one school at a time. Peace.